Hi and welcome to Trendlog. In this video I will show you how to set up a trend board. Click on the button to open your trend board. Trendboard is where you can gather all your views in one and create an overview of all your data. Click on Trendboards in the top menu. Click on the green plus button in the top right corner to create your trend board. Name your trend board and click on Create. In order to display your views on your trend board, click on the arrow on the right side and then select Edit. Click on the plus button in the upper left corner of your blank dashboard to create a box for your view. Click on the 4 vertical lines in the white box and then on Select. Click on the arrow to access a drop-down menu with all your views. Select a view and then click Yes to save it. You can adjust the size on the double-pointed arrow. Click and hold down the left mouse button while you drag the box. You can also place the box anywhere on the screen by clicking and dragging it. Once you have added the desired views, save your trend board by clicking on the green check mark. When you press the Home button in the top menu, you will now see your trend board. You can add as many views on your trend board as you like. Now you know how to set up a trend board. For more guides, please visit our website at www.trendlog.io.